Norfolk Island pine tree hails from Norfolk Island, a small island in the Pacific Ocean between New Zealand and New Caledonia. It is not even a pine tree at all. Million years before pine trees evolved, this Norfolk Island pine tree has been on Earth. Norfolk Island pine trees are commonly used as little houseplant like a Christmas trees. Its scientific name is Araucaria heterophylla. It grows 2 feet per year. Along parts of the California coast, Norfolk Island grow 100 feet or taller, stretching up to 60 feet wide and growing up to 2 feet per year. On their native Norfolk Island coast of Australia, they are grown to grow twice as tall. This is resemble a pine tree. They are not true pine tree at all. They are tropical plant and cannot tolerate temperature below 35 degrees Fahrenheit. It requires high humidity, enough light, prefers several hours of direct sunlight, and a normal browning of on the bottom of branches is a sign of either overwatered, underwatered, or not getting enough humidity. And watering this every 1 to 2 weeks, allowing soil to dry between waterings, and expect to water more often if in brighter light and less often in lower light. "97 days left before Christmas. Hope you can plant like this a Norkfolk pine tree and use it as your plant decorator. Have a Merry Christmas and be positive. Always look at the bright side, whatever happened in this life right now. Take care and stay safe. Happy planting!"